so we're going to show you a few things that you can do for inflammation. If you're suffering highly from inflammation, it could just mean that you are not able to move around inflammation, or you're eating foods that are not agreeing with you or you're sensitive to. You could be allergic to foods that you're eating as well. A lot of people tend to be having issues with inflammation based on wheat and processed foods, which is wheat. And this is anything genetically modified, so that would include wheat, soy, dairy, corn, and any concentrated juices or pops, these kinds of things. Okay, so if you can stay away from these things, your inflammation should come down. Okay. There's a lot of other things that you can eat, and everyone's like, what, without bread or without any corn? It's in everything, right? But you actually feel and look a lot more better when you're off of it anyway. So if you are full with inflammation, so that means you're pain everywhere. Okay, most people call it fibromyalgia or whatever, because they're not able to find out why. Most people have sensitivities, food sensitivities, and they don't even know it. I'm one of them. I cannot have wheat, I cannot have soy, I cannot have corn, I cannot have dairy as well. I actually get chicken rash here, where it looks like I have chicken skin all over here when I'm drinking milk. But I'm okay on organic or whole milk products. Okay, so that's like full creams. I can have cream in my coffee, but I can't have milk in my coffee for some reason. Okay, so these are the things that we need to just kind of look into. Also, some people just feel really, really bloated all the time, and this is probably because of food-related issues. You could try a probiotic called, there's a product called Genestra. They have an amazing product that's called HMF Neuro Powder that really helps with as a probiotic and as a focus, for concentration as well. That really helps with the digestion of food. So if you are a little sensitive, some people are just lucky they're sensitive and they can just take a digestive enzyme and they can process their food better and not have as much inflammation. However, if you are more than sensitive, so that means you're super insensitive or you're allergic, these are things you need to find out about and go to your doctor, get your allergy specialist to take a look into some of the food allergies, or maybe even allergens in the air or whatever that could be causing this issue in your body. But we want to actually activate your lymphatic system so that you can actually try to drain some of this inflammation in your body. So it's another technique to kind of help it, and it's a manual thing that you can do. So if you are feeling a lot of pain, this is something that you can do to help yourself kind of get rid of some of this inflammation. So if you're a lady, please go ahead and do the breast massage just as I showed it. That will really help severely with getting some inflammation out of this area. The next thing, so I'm going to show the nodes that you have to open before you do the manual lymph drainage. So you want to open, so you're going to just start in with, you can use this hand actually, it's probably better to use the opposite side. Just 1, 2, and 3 in there, under the armpit, 1, 2, 3, and then in the crotch area, so right in this area, okay, 2 and 3, and then underneath your knee, 2 and 3. So what you're going to do is you're going to lie down in your bed, and you're going to prop yourself with pillows. So you're going to have a nice large amount of pillows, maybe 3-4 pillows underneath your legs. Okay, and you're going to prop up your arm, and you're going to do the same thing on this side as well. So you're going to pump the other side in all the areas. Okay, and then you're going to just lay there for about 15 minutes. Okay, and let everything kind of drain. And just relax. Okay, and just try to have something on your head as well. Okay, and you can do that when you're in a lot of pain, usually when you're having difficulty, with inflammation. And there's also some natural anti-inflammatory medicines that you can use at the Nature's Emporium or any health store. It's called Anti-Flamex, and that will really help kind of reduce some of the inflammation naturally. Okay, so good luck with that. Hopefully you guys can use some of this information to help reduce the pain and allow yourself to manage your pain better. And if you have any questions, please contact the clinic or you can email me and I would be glad to answer your emails.